Welcome to our van life with our three dogs, episode 84. We're in New Melones Lake, one of the biggest reservoirs in California. We planned to stay here for 2 nights, but things happened and we had to scramble. Stay tuned and we thank you all for watching.
Melones Lake. We are checking out a new spot to us called Old Glory Hole Recreation Area. You can book it on recreation.gov, and it's an alternative spot that we're exploring, trying to hit all of the major reservoirs in California.
This is the 4th largest reservoir in California. Need to find out what the other two, what the first 3 are, because right now I think Shasta is the biggest one, but we don't know about the others.
It's probably most known here for fishing and boating, like a lot of the California reservoirs, but hopefully we can explore and see if there's anything fun to do for the doggos.
You have arrived.
Miss Pia is exploring. Have to go down here and have some coffee tomorrow. Was a tough night as usual. These guys had to potty a lot. Chewbacca's still dealing with her meds issue, but we're gonna get him out potty now, and then we're having a little pivot. We'll tell you about that later. We're going to see oh yeah, it's smoky. We were smelling the smoke last night, but it got dark so quickly. It definitely was not the smoky driving in. So there is a fire nearby, big time. Oh, somebody left the garbage open. What's up, everybody? So just got some drone footage of New Melones Lake. Behind us, we are parked right there, but it's up on a hill, so not the best spot. But there's a forest fire and lots of smoke moving into this area, so we are going to move on down south, and we snagged a last minute campsite inside Yosemite Park. So we're gonna head down there, hopefully check out Hetch Hetchy, since we're moving south rather than north like we usually do to Yosemite, and we'll show you along the way. We're gonna drop into Angels Camp first, get some breakfast, get a little exploration of the local town, and head on down. So we'll be back most likely. It's a really nice area, but it is a little still but fire season, so we're gonna get moving.
Hi everybody! We are on the road to Hetch Hetchy here at Yosemite. It's part of Yosemite, but it's not an actual, or you cannot actually access it through the main park, so you have to drive a little bit out to get here. We are gonna go exploring, see the famous dam, and we're hoping to see the waterfall, so it's pretty well known for the waterfalls as well. The dogs are with us, but dogs are not allowed in the dam or the hiking trail, so we'll have to leave them here in the van and with the AC on to keep them comfortable. Still have about 3.3 miles to go. Temperature right now it's 82. It is first week of October, Sunday today, and as you can see, we are experiencing summer weather. We just had around 92-degree weather over the last couple of days where it was really hot. We left our campsite in Angel Camp today because
Melones Lake.
Because of how hot it was, and
They had a fire.
It was so smoky. We couldn't stay there, so we lucked out and got a campsite in Yosemite for the night. So we will explore Hetch Hetchy and then make our way up to our campsite in Yosemite. So dogs right now are in the back of the driver's side area. They were excited to, oh wow, look at that. So amazing views of the area here. I get nervous when we're close to the edge of the road, like where the cliff, where it drops off. It makes me super nervous and I get a little bit claustrophobic. So this should be an interesting drive on our way up here. But there's Boba, Bail, and Chewbacca is in there, and I have the boys in the back. They always travel with us, even if they're not with us physically. Their memory continues to live on, and there are little angels. So there you go. There's the dam. I can see it all the way from here. So we can't wait to get down there, but we still have about 2 miles to go before we get there. So here's the dam. We'll find a place to park and then make our way down on the Lunchtime. This is the dog's pork from Farmer's Dog, which Bail was trying to eat, but she saw our pizza, so she stopped eating. Chewbacca wants some pizza, and Boba is not hungry at all. So eat your food. Eat your food, Chewbacca. So we're having leftover pizza. Where is this from, babe?
I think it's an 8 Mile pizza, Detroit style pizza.
And what's in it?
It's sausage and veggies.
Good pizza. And I got my 2 boys, Yoda and Jabba. We miss them.